All right, hey everyone. I recently had a request on my YouTube channel. Well, 3 videos, that's embarrassing. How to actually install the physical connector in the Glock Gen 5. So this is a Glock 19 Gen 5. And I hope the audio is coming out on this. For some reason, my Nikon died. The batteries just stopped working or the camera stopped working. So I'm recording on a GoPro right now. I don't know how the audio is going to come through. So either or. So like I said, here's a standard Glock 19 5th gen. Let's do the safety check. Oh, look at that. So, nothing in there. We'll take it down. Set this aside. So we're going to use 2 punches. There's this punch right here, which is, I think, let's call it 1/8 of an inch. And then there's another punch here, which is, let's call it 3/32. So, standard takedown. Hopefully I'm doing this in frame. The GoPro just went dark on me. So we're going to take the center out. This out. It's obviously filthy. So if you look really closely, there is, let me see if I can adjust the light. There's a hook. There's a hook right here that latches on to the bar. To take that out, you just literally pull away from you and up and out. Comes right out. So I'll put it in. Pull out towards you and away. So there's the connector. So to take the connector out, I'm going to take the 3/32 punch. The back side, you'll see this little hole, and just push it through the hole, and your connector comes out. So this is a connector from Ghost. I don't know which one it is, but it's the one you had to file down. If you don't get it correctly, you can't pull the trigger to release the slide, so it's kind of a pain. So to put the connector in, put it back the way you took it out. I don't know how this is showing up, guys, so my apologies. All right, so what you're going to want to do with this is this piece needs to go underneath that hook in there. So you just slide it in like that. Do it again for you guys. Can't see what I'm doing, so bear with me. All right, we'll put it back in the firearm. You see I haven't done this in a while. Guys, I also want to add something. When you do one of the connectors from Ghost where you have to file down the back side of the connector, you have to also install a red plate back here so you can actually reach down inside and disengage the firearm if you can't pull the trigger, because that you didn't grind the connector down enough. You don't need to buy that red plate that goes back here. I'll show you a real cool and easy trick. If you can't pull the trigger because you haven't ground it down enough, lock the slide back. Look inside here like you're going to take the slide down. See, there's your firing pin. There's a little piece you want to slide down right here. Slide that piece down. Push the back off. Back comes off. Your pin comes out, and you can disassemble the gun as normal without buying that $5 red piece. Just a little tip for you guys. Take care.